In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade on TurboTax. If you accidentally selected a higher tier product, or you just want to make sure you're using the lowest cost option available, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for, so you can confirm whether a downgrade is available on your account. To begin, make sure you're signed into TurboTax and that you're already inside your current return. Once you're on the main workspace, look for the option labeled Switch Products. This is the area TurboTax uses to let you move between available plan levels. Go ahead and click on Switch Products to open those options. After you click it, TurboTax will show you the plans that are available for your current return. At this point, what you want to look for is a downgrade option. If TurboTax gives you the ability to move to a lower priced version, you should see that option listed here. This is the key screen for the whole process because it tells you whether you can switch down from your current plan. If you do see the downgrade option, that means TurboTax is allowing you to move to a lower product level for this return. From there, you can review the available product and continue with the downgrade based on what appears on screen. Be sure to read the plan details carefully so you understand what features are included and whether anything changes based on your tax situation. If you don't see a downgrade option, that usually means you're already on the free plan. In other words, there may not be a lower product available for your return, so TurboTax won't display any downgrade choice. That's helpful to know because it saves you time from continuing to search through account settings or menus that won't offer any additional options. A good tip here is to pause for a moment and read the wording on the page carefully. Sometimes the difference between products is based on the forms or tax topics included, so it's worth confirming that the lower plan still fits your needs before making any changes. And that's really all there is to it. Open your return, click Switch Products, and check whether TurboTax offers you a downgrade. If the option is there, you can move to a lower plan. If it isn't, you're most likely already using the free version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.